Hey everyone, this is Alex at Clerk Chat, and today I'm going to show you how to connect your existing Telnyx account to use all or one of your numbers all inside of Clerk. So let's go ahead and enter your corporate email here. It will send you a one-time password that you'll go get inside of your email client and paste over here. Once you enter that, it's going to ask you which team would you like to associate with. If you already have an existing corporate account, it'll show up here, or you can continue with a new workspace. Let's go ahead and continue. Agree to the terms of service. And instead of getting a new phone number for demo purposes, what we're going to do is activate your existing phone number. So let's go ahead and do that. And under carriers, we're going to select Telnyx. We're going to click proceed and insert that key. I've got a great New York number here that we can text with, so let's go ahead and proceed. For add-ons, in terms of powering your existing number for WhatsApp, Google RCS, or iMessage, these are all coming out, so we're gonna skip that for now. And then what I'm gonna do is call this Telnyx test for the phone number, and then I can change the icon or emoji for the inbox. And I can actually make this a little bit multiplayer, so I can add Igor, my colleague at Clerk. You can invite him to this inbox so he can send and receive messages on the same number as well. And just like that, the Telnyx phone number is wired to this account.